Hey everyone, we're having an open house from noon to 3 p.m. Sunday, October 1st in the South Mountain View neighborhood of West Hill in Auburn, Washington. This is a resale home in a MainVue community. It's a luxury home with 4 beds, 2.5 baths, just under 3,000 square feet. It's got a 3-car garage. If you need some more room, you need to kind of stretch out a little bit, make sure everyone in the family has a room, you'll want to see this house. It backs onto a green belt. Lovely home. We're going to have some fun at this open house. I hope to see you there. So take a screenshot. If you haven't already, I'm putting the address up now. It's 5657 South 328th Place in Auburn, Washington. Tour the house, have some refreshments, get to know the neighborhood. And hey, if you're in the market for a new home, make an offer.